Hi guys! We're here at Japanese Tunnel at Botanical Garden and we will see kung hanggang saan pwedeng madaanan at gaano kalayo itong tunnel na to. And we will see if nakakatakot pa pumasok dito sa tunnel and we never know. Okay, let's go! Nung pumunta kami dito, medyo basa yung flooring. Kaya still be careful sa mga steps, baka medyo madulas ang inyong mga sapatos. At sa mga daanan naman, hindi madilim and medyo maliwanag. Para hindi na rin nakakatakot pag pumasok kayo or mag-adventure dito sa loob. And you can see, hanggang dito na lang yung may ilaw. And nasa sa inyo na rin kung gusto nyo na rin ituloy. But for us, we decided to go back. So, hanggang dun lang yung pinuntahan namin. Because we're just curious if mahaba ba yung tunnel na pwedeng madaanan. But meron ding mga daanan na walang ilaw. But we didn't try to go there. And we decided to go back. So, pero if you want to try to go there na walang mga ilaw, then go. Patapang kayo, Charis. Pero I think just only a short din yung daanan na yan. But we didn't try. So, that's it.